Okay, so we've had a viewer request. Can you please compare colour on a PDF versus a PNG file? So I thought, yep, let's do that now. So there's the PDF and there's the PNG. Now we are in a PNG file. How do I know that? Because all the notebooks are PNG files and PDF file is a PDF. And I'll show you that. I was just making a video and this is a PDF I had at hand. So this is a planner. We know that it's a PDF because it is there. It says PDF settings. So I'm going to do some color in here. So let's just go, hop off that. Let's just go to this week here. Oh, sorry, we're in the monthly planner. So let's just go to this month. And if we wanted to write in, we'll write in black first. This is black. So this is a PDF. And then let's just go red. Let's go blue. And green. I think we get the gist. Let me go yellow. This was the request to actually see the color, and I'll do the same for you. And let's go pink, and then there's cyan. That's the last color, cyan. All right, so they're the colors as they come up on a PDF. Now we're going to go to a PNG file. And 2 fingers from the top gets you into the document drawer. Takes a second, doesn't it? So we've done those. Color. And you'll notice that it is not remembering my color from the other document. It actually remembers what colors I was using in each document, which is really cool. So now it says notebook settings. That's what a PNG file actually is. And so now I'm going to use color here. So we already know what black looks like. This is blue. Let's just skip through these. Red, green. I'd love that green to be more green. Yellow. I've heard it can be tricky. Orange. So that's interesting. Whoops. That is not a C. Cyan. Magenta, let's just call it pink. And did I miss one? Blue, red, green. Oh, we know what grey looks like. So that is the colour. So let me get back here and show you. All right, so I'll flick between the two so you can see. Black, red, blue, green, pink, cyan. No, it closed the document. Don't worry. Get back here. Green, yellow, pink. I don't know, they look the same to me. Do they look the same to you? There. Okay, now let me 2 fingers down 1 second. Yeah, I think they look the same. 2 fingers. No, what is it? Wrong document, sorry. I was just doing that one. Yeah, I mean, it's on a white background, so. Yeah, that's the colours in. You know what we can do? Just one final thing. I don't know if you know about this, but this is in the latest beta update. You can select all of that. We're going to copy it. What I'll do is I'll hop into that other PDF document and we'll insert a blank page, right? Which you can do in a PDF. Let's paste it. So now you're looking at, I didn't think of this before, but anyway. Now, maybe it is different. I don't know. Hang on. Now I'm going to flick. This is a PDF. And come on. Where's the document drawer? This is the PNG. All right. That's it. I hope that helps to the viewer that requested that. I'll put your handle up here. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.